Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make popsicles in a bag. This method is incredibly simple and perfect for a quick, refreshing treat. First, gather your ingredients. Fruit juice, pureed fruit, or even yogurt work wonderfully. You'll also need small, sealable plastic bags, ideally around 3 by 5 inches, and a funnel or a measuring cup with a spout to make filling easier and mess-free. Let's get started. Now it's time to fill your bags. Using your funnel or spout, pour approximately 1/2 cup of your liquid into each bag. Remember to leave at least 1 inch of space at the top. This is crucial because liquids expand when they freeze. Once filled, carefully seal each bag, pressing out as much air as you can before fully closing it. This helps prevent freezer burn and ensures a smooth popsicle. With your bags filled and sealed, it's time for the freezer. Lay the filled bags flat on a baking sheet or a similar tray. This helps them freeze evenly and maintain a nice shape. Place them in the freezer for at least 4 hours or until they are completely solid. For the quickest freezing, avoid stacking the bags. Give them some space to chill efficiently. Soon you'll have delicious, homemade popsicles. Once your popsicles are frozen solid, they are ready to enjoy. Simply snip a small corner off the bottom of the bag with scissors, and you can squeeze the popsicle out as you eat it. This method is fantastic for making a large batch for parties or just having a convenient, refreshing treat on hand. Don't forget to check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, plus other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade popsicles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.